special because we have a new guest.
Hi everybody, I'm Landon, Maddie, and Odin's mom.
Today we're going to be making two types of slime that are fluffy, stretchy, and not sticky.
Yes, and what's great about the two recipes that we're doing today is that they do not include glue or an activator. The first one we're using Crayola Magic Modeling Clay, lotion, and food coloring just to add some color to it. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna open up our clay.
Yep. This is what.
All right.
This kind of feels weird. It does. This is going to be a fluffy slime.
All right, so start, pushing it together, kneading it like dough.
This is kind of weird.
Yeah.
It's harder than dough.
Okay.
Oh my God.
All right, so here, if you
So
you see,
hard.
let me help. So you just gonna keep pushing and moving. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze some lotion into it. Okay. Now, Landon, you want me to help you, or are you?
Yeah.
You're gonna fold it in and start mixing it all together, and it will start making it more pliable and soft. You got it, Mads?
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
And you can use any lotion.
Yeah, any lotion. Any lotion will work.
Definitely give your hand a workout.
Yeah. This is good. This is really good. Wow. Oh my God, my hands are so lotiony. Get lotion in my hands.
Oh yeah, it squirted right out, didn't it?
I've never touched a dough real slime. Yeah, slime before. It feels like real. Never. I try.
Yeah.
Even though
keep
most
kneading
kids
it.
have.
You got it. Keep kneading it. You ready for some more lotion?
Me too.
Okay. You want to get it so it won't break apart. You want it to the consistency where it's stretching without breaking.
Yeah, but it is kind of breaking.
Yeah, and that's why we got to keep working it and put more lotion into it so it doesn't break.
Yeah. Until it's stretching. Oh no!
Did it squirt in?
My phone started to break.
So now that we've kneaded the dough clay with our lotion and it's gotten to the consistency of butter slime, I think they call it, we're gonna now choose a color to color our slime so it's not white anymore. So Madeline and Landon, what are you gonna choose?
I think I'm gonna choose red. I'm gonna try a couple drops of it to make a pink color.
A pink?
Blue.
Okay, you're gonna go blue. All right, so let's test this out. We'll slowly add so that we don't make it. Ooh, that's a lot of red.
Yeah, it is. Because we used it before. Oh, that's a pink. That's a pink.
It will be with
very red.
all right, so this is gel food coloring, so this will be interesting. So go ahead and start kneading that in, and then we'll see how it comes out.
Not be perfect.
All right, Landon, you're gonna do blue.
This might not work.
Oh, sorry. So we'll do those and knead that in and see how it goes, and then we can always add more to get it to the right color.
Looks good.
Now you gotta really knead it.
It's really blue.
And it'll start getting to the
Look
color.
at that pink. It's
Okay.
it's forming into a pink.
Nice. Right now it kind of looks like a mint candy. So right now yours is looking like a nice soft light pink. Do you want to add a little more to get a darker pink, or?
Yeah, just like a little more. But I do like how it is right now. I really like this kind of blue.
Maybe another. Yeah. Because it's a lot of white.
Oh, that's a
good looking blue. Kind of looks like cotton candy.
I like this pink how it is right now. I don't really want to add any more color. Like you could tell it's like
what we just put in there.
You could tell it's like a cherry blossom.
Ooh, good color. I like that cherry blossom.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna name it. What are you gonna name yours, Landon?
I don't know. I don't really have the name for it.
You could be like cotton candy blue.
Cotton candy blue.
Yeah.
If it smells
Trying
good.
to stretch it down like that takes a little bit.
I want to smell it.
Whoa.
Does mine smell like cotton candy?
No, it smells like the lotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we had cotton candy lotion, then yeah. Now we've got our like kind of butter slime, and we've got some containers here to put it in. Here's the results.
Cotton blue candy and cherry blossom.
Oh, that looks like a awesome pretzel.
Yeah.
No, it came out good. It did take quite a bit of lotion to get it to a soft,
Kind of
stretchy consistency. So just keep adding until you feel like it's the right consistency for you. And then same thing with the food coloring. You just keep adding it until you get the color that you like. So we did a little at a time, and Maddie and Landon are both happy with the way their colors turned out. So yeah, so let's start on the next one. All right, so we have finished the first slime and now we're on to the second slime. This one has ingredients. We're using cornstarch and we're gonna use dish soap. We have Dawn here, so these are the two that we're going to use.
And we have some bowls, and
we're gonna mix them in bowls. So
yeah, we have some of these, and I don't really know what they're called though.
spatulas.
Spatulas.
So
They don't look like
And then this is a teaspoon?
tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
And we have food coloring over there.
We do.
Yeah.
So let's start putting the stuff together.
Yay!
So,
All right, so I'm adding
1
4 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's getting a little messy here.
this looks like
And we're washing the table.
Okay, so there you go. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons
Oh my god,
of
this is
Dawn.
we got some Dawn soap here. And we're gonna do 3 of these.
Ah, it's dripping.
Looks like an ice pack exploded. See that?
Oh yeah.
All right, Lana, go ahead and start
like rotten
mixing that up.
Lollipops.
It smells like
Bubbles. Ooh.
I have the dirtiest hands ever.
This is like
A bubble.
just a little bit more. Mine's still kind of powdery, like chunky.
Is it not
Smells
supposed
so
to be chunky?
good. We're kind of washing the dishes.
What would you do? Like smash it?
Yeah, I'm like kind of smashing all the balls I see.
It actually feels like good. I actually like this.
It's supposed to be like a putty
Feel it.
feeling. Yeah. Ooh, actually, yes.
It feels
That's kinda
really
neat.
good. I feel like I did this with mine alone,
It's gonna be good smelling soap.
Mom, what do you think? I feel like
I think yours is, it's good.
Can I go wash my hands?
You can totally wash your hands. Yeah, why don't we?
This is a mess.
Let's
we cannot
put-
eat the.
It's food. Oh my.
Mine's starting to get there.
It is.
All right.
It's starting.
Cool. Keep kneading it. Landon, here's a bucket to put yours in for now.
I'm gonna go.
So there's Landon's right there.
I'm gonna wash it.
Mine's actually not doing that too bad.
So now that we've kneaded our slime, our cornstarch and soap together, we've made this really soft,
like
kind of gooey slime that
You don't really want to touch. It gets up in your nails when you try to pick it up.
So now we're going to add
Okay.
some food coloring to just change the color a little bit. Maddie has chosen to kind of go with trying to make a purple. So she's gonna add like a little bit of blue and a little bit of red. Landon wants to make like a darker teal. And he's gonna add a little green and a little bit of blue.
Like 1 drop of blue and like not much of blue and like 3 drops of this.
All right, so let's go ahead.
Are we gonna take this out?
And
I'm so excited.
yeah, you
to
can
have
take it
them.
out if you want.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at
The other
It's
side
coming out like
looks-
tie-dye. It's not even like mixing it.
Oh my gosh, Mom, look at your hands.
Oh no.
Luckily you're not going.
Okay, so we've done both slime recipes, and which one was your guys' favorite?
Well, mine was actually the one where we used the Crayola dough and the lotion and all the food coloring. Because
Yeah, the Crayola.
it's bigger and it's like
It's
more
not like not putty.
soft and
Softer than putty.
Okay,
Like the putty.
and the second one didn't seem as successful. It's a little sticky, tacky, as you can see some of the residue on the bottom of our containers.
Like this one.
Like that one, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
it's
kind of stuck a
not-
lot. It didn't stay as together, and it's when you're playing with it, it kind of ends up
kinda-
on your hands a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little. I mean, it is kind of fun, but it does kind of end up on your hand.
Well,
Yeah,
this one.
but
Really.
it's soft
And it does smell like John Sick a lot.
because that's what we use.
So good.
But overall, it was fun, right?
Yeah.
We had a good
Yeah.
time. So, since I am the special guest, I was talking to Dad, and he tells me that he typically does a dad joke. I got a mom joke. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Why is a computer so smart?
No, banana.
Anybody? Yeah? No?
No.
Because it listens to its motherboard. All right. Well, thank you for joining us. We had fun making these different types of slime, and
It is
what
more like putty than it is.
it is like
Yeah.
putty. So
It's fun to play with though.
it is fun. So thanks again for joining us, Landon.
Smash the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you get notified whenever we
get a
upload a new video. Bye.
All right. Bye, guys.
Peace out.